Hey guys, welcome to the Tech Hobbies channel. In this tutorial, you're going to learn how to display ads in our Android application. Yay! Okay, so before we get started, I want you guys to know that you need to have Admob, an Admob account, in order to run live ads on your Android application. You got it right, an Admob account. So if you don't have an Admob account, what we can do here for you is that we can only let you run test ads on your Android application. So before we get started, I guess you guys will create an Admob account. You can go to google.com/admob. Already I've gone there, click on sign up, and then you sign. After you successfully sign up, you get to this page. Unfortunately, I've blurred out some sensitive content on the page. I don't want you guys to see my ass. It's too, it's not lucrative right now, so I've just decided to hide it for you guys. But when I start to earn more, I might probably show it to you guys. So after you sign up for an Admob account, you head on to apps. You click add app. Have you published your app on Google Play or App Store? You haven't published your app yet, so you click on no. What's the name of app? So the name of my app is Admob banner and interstitial. Usually spell it wrong. Interstitial. So I'm doing it for an Android platform. Add it. Yay, added it. So the first thing I do is make a note of your new app ID. So I create my ad unit. So for now I want a banner ad. So I'm going to select banner ad, and I can choose the ad type. I'm choosing to display text, image, or enriched media. I'm also choosing video. Auto refresh, go optimize. So the auto refresh feature is whereby when the ads are running your application, after some number of seconds or so, it changes the ad. But I'm going to be choosing Google optimized, then the ad unit's name. So since I'll be displaying it on the home page of the app, I'll just give it home ad unit. Let me add that to it, and then I save it. Okay, so these are the instructions they've given me. So you need, in order to run the ad on your mobile application, you need to have a Google Mobile Ads SDK. So now let's head on to our Android Studio project to see how you're going to add that. Okay, so now on my Android Studio project, the first thing we need to do is to add the Google Mobile Ads SDK. So you just head on to Gradle scripts, then you head on to build.gradle, the module app. So you add this line of code: compile com.google.android.gms play services hyphen ads version 9.8.0. But this version is a lower version, so you might, the newest version is around version 11.4 so you can just write that there. Let me see, 11.0.4, that's the newest version. So if you have your SDK tools up to the latest version, you can just use the newest version instead of using this old version. So once you're done, the next thing you should do is let's go to our manifest file. We add this internet permissions. So after you add the internet permissions, now we head on to our activity main.xml file. That is where I'm going to insert the banner code. Okay, so in my activity main, oh, then it's not rendering yet. But anyways, in my activity main, you see I have this piece of code here, com.google.android.gms blah blah blah. So make sure to reset all this, and the ad size is the banner ad. Since you're using banner, since you're going to be displaying banner ads, that's the ad size we need to specify here. And the ad unit is a banner ad ID. So I'm using a string value. If you head on to the strings.xml, you see the string value here. Okay, so once you are done adding all this, you are supposed to see something like this in your activity.xml file. But before we continue, let me just clarify some things here. You might, I don't know, in case you get confused along the way, or you want to find out more information, you could go to developers.google.com/admob/android/quickstart. So you're going to see the steps to follow from there. So you can see, you can learn how to integrate banner ads, interstitial ads, native ads, blah blah blah. So that's just by the way. So now that you're done, let's head on to our main activity.java file. So in our main activity.java file, we declare a variable which is an add view, and then right here we instantiate our add view to this. We find our add view. So this add view is taken from the activity main.xml file. That's the ID here. So the next thing we do is that we also declare and initialize an add request, and then we load the ad. So let's just run this and see. I'm going to pause the video so that it doesn't take much time. Get back right now. Okay, so our emulator is up and running now. Let's just build around our project. Okay, Windows 5. I'm going to pause the video again so that it doesn't take a lot of time, you know. Okay, so I just built my Android application. Wait, where is the banner at? Where are you? I'm sure it's going to show in a bit. Might take a while to show since this is the first run, but let's see. Yay, so banner ad is finally showing. You can see it down here, but for now it's a test ad, so we want to integrate a live ad in our application. So let's go back to our Admob account, and then we've already created a live ad unit, so we just have to copy this and replace it with the ad unit, with the test ad unit in our application. So we go to strings.xml file, so we highlight this and replace it with the new ad, and then we run it again. Okay, so here we are. You might still be getting a test ad, but I bet you it's actually supposed to be a live ad. So I just tried running it on a real Android device, and I got a live ad. So this is actually working. But then if you seem to have an issue, you can try restarting the application, or uninstalling and installing the application again. But here's the end of the tutorial. I hope you liked it. Let me know if it worked for you. If you have any issues, just comment below. Thank you, and See you next time. Bye bye.